Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the phone, plug a quality lightning cable or use wireless Carplay, unlock the iPhone, and accept the car's trust prompt. Make sure Siri and location services are enabled because Carplay relies on voice and GPS to keep your hands free. Once done, open Apple Maps and enter your destination or speak to Siri to set the route. This gets navigation live and hands-free immediately, which is vital for safe driving and accurate directions. Now you refine the route. Use voice commands to change preferences, say avoid tolls or add stop, so you don't take your eyes off the road. On the Carplay screen, tap the map to view upcoming turns, lane guidance, and the ETA. This helps you anticipate exits and merges. If you need multiple stops, add and reorder them directly in Maps because planning stops in advance reduces distraction. Make adjustments early, and Siri keeps the route updated as traffic conditions change. Start driving and follow Apple Maps turn-by-turn guidance. Glance briefly at lane arrows and distance markers to stay focused. When you arrive, end navigation and optionally save your parking location or share your ETA. If something goes wrong, no map, frozen screen, or no voice, first reconnect or swap the cable, toggle Carplay, and restart the iPhone. Make sure Siri and location permissions remain enabled. These steps quickly restore functionality because most issues stem from connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.